Let's make some pumpkin swirl brownies. Here's everything you need. This dish can be a nice holiday favorite for Christmas or Thanksgiving. First, be aware that you need to preheat your oven to 350. I used parchment paper to make this process a lot easier and a lot easier to clean up after. You can line your baking dish with the parchment paper, about almost 2 sticks of butter. There's the brown sugar. Add your sugar and your granulated sugar, vanilla extract. 1 egg at a time. Beat the mix 1 egg at a time. Do the second egg and also do your third egg after this. Half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt. Mix again. This is your bowl number 1. You're going to add your flour. You're going to get your second bowl ready and add about 1/3 of the mix from the first bowl to the second bowl. In the first bowl, add your cinnamon. I didn't really measure, it doesn't matter. Also, add your nutmeg. Don't add too much. Now is the 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Add that to bowl number 1. Mix again. Now this is very important. You're going to add what you mixed from bowl number 1 into bowl number 2. Make sure it's about equal. Now in bowl number 2 we're adding the cocoa powder. That's 1/4 cup, and add about 3/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now that it's mixed well, you're going to add this to the baking dish. Remember, your oven needs to be preheated to 350. Now is a good time. I'm just going to add about a little bit here and there. And I'm going to add from the bowl number 1 as well, which has most of the pumpkin. And now you're going to have a nice big mix. Don't mix this well. You're going to swirl it. This is what makes it look really nice after it's cut through and baked. Hey y'all. Top it off with some chocolate chips on top. Throw it in the oven. Wait 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is what it should look like. And there you go, a nice brownie with some pumpkin swirl. Hope you guys have fun enjoying and eating this brownie. The reason I use parchment paper, you can lay it down flat, cut it with a bread knife if you'd like, and you can get some nice squares. I put it in a bowl so you can really see the swirl texture. Thanks for watching.